Welcome to Chef Arden channel. Today on our channel we're doing seafood curry. So we're gonna curry up some seafood. We have lobster, crab and shrimp. Hi my viewers, I am Chef Arden and as you can see I'm on the edge of the plate, but to my right here we have our famous dish, the curry seafood platter, seafood curry. Subscribe, like and share. And the shrimp right now, we're gonna add some flavor to the pot, like some scallion. We're gonna remove the lobster, the crab, and the shrimp out of our pots. Okay, meanwhile our lobster, crab, and our shrimp is cooling off. We're gonna come over here and sort out our season that we're gonna put into the curry. We have celery, we have leek, we also have potatoes, onions, thyme, red pepper, squash. Now we have all these nice seasonings that we're going to put into the pot, okay? So we're going to start dicing. We're going to cut up our garlic, peel off the onion, and start cleaning, wash and clean our vegetables. Yeah, we're getting ready to clean off the seafood. Take them out them shell, and clean it up. Yeah, we're getting ready to clean off the lobster. We'll cut it out, you know? Cut out everything. Yeah, you will need to invest into it. Scissors when you're dealing with seafood, you know? Recommend it. Make the job so much easier. Yeah, you're cooking with Chef Arden. Remove it. So we have 2 lobster and 1 crab with some shrimp. And we're going to curry it, you know, curry seafood. So after we cut them out, we're going to start cutting up our season and get the season prepared. So you're cooking with Chef Arden. This is our lobster, crab, and our shrimps. And it's going down on Chef Arden channel. Subscribe and share, guys. Don't forget. Yeah, we remove all the seafood from the shells, the lobster, the crab. Now we're just going to squeeze some lime juice all over that. You want to get the lime juice all over it. You know, lime juice gives that nice flavor that we're going to want to catch. You know, it's seafood, so you want to get that raw flavor off anyway. You know, take that raw taste off by squeezing some lime. And all over it, so it's nice. And look at that, see all that juice. Yeah, make sure you get all that juice. And I'm scared, you see. So you're gonna let that juice sit in there and marinate for a second. Now we're just gonna get the seasons together. We're gonna heat up our pan at hot and start heating up the oil, okay? You're watching Cooking with Chef Arden. This is the season, the raw season that we're gonna use for our curry seafood. We have thyme, carrots, potato, you know, all that nice stuff in there. And then we're gonna use some nice Jamaican curry. You know, you could use whatever curry of your choice, but this is the curry we have on hand. We have some cumin, some sea salt, cayenne pepper, oregano, and this is the Chef Arden famous all-purpose season. So this is what we're going to combine today for the seafood curry, or curry seafood. Keep on watching. We're going to be tuning. Okay, this is what Chef Arden is using today for our curry, Jamaican curry. I showed you before. Now we're just going to curry up the seafood. Yeah, you gotta season it up with the curry first. Yeah, we're gonna season up the curry seafood. All the seafood, you gotta get it, the curry all over it. Marinate the curry. Meanwhile, you're testing your oil to see if it's hot. Yeah, we got our shrimp, our lobster, and our crab. Got it nice and curried up. Yeah, that looks wonderful. We're making curry seafood with white rice And I'm just showing you how to get your curry all mixed in and ready. So we're gonna put it down, let it sit for 5 minutes. So we're gonna get the vegetables sauteed and start. We have here all the vegetable and the season that we're gonna saute. We're gonna put it into a frying pan. Yeah, you hear that nice sound? That's the sound you want to hear when you're sauteing your vegetables. You got thyme, peppers, garlic. Now we have a good amount of seasoning, so I can have a good right taste. Always invest into the seasoning that you prefer to use. You know, a lot of chefs like to use different seasonings. I like natural herbs. Give you that natural flavor and that natural taste. And thanks for watching Cooking with Chef Arden. I'm showing you how to cook a curry seafood. Sauteing the vegetables. And we have the curry sitting there. This is the curry seafood, shrimp, lobster, and crab. And we're going to add to the seasoning that we're sauteing. And you can smell that aroma. It smells so nice and wonderful with the seasoning. Studying the thyme. Yeah, you can smell it, you know. Just gonna saute for another minute. You need to just saute maybe about 2 minutes before you add in your curry. So we're just gonna let it saute for 1 more minute. Yes, that's looking wonderful. Okay, so we're just going to add in the curry. Mix in all your curry seafood that you have. Mix in everything. Your shrimp, your crab, lobster. Yeah, get it all in there, you know. Saute it all in there. You want that flavor. Nice, rich curry flavor. You could also add coconut milk to this dish and give it also another kick, you know. Wow, look at that. And you cook with Chef Arden. Just continue to saute everything. Good. Looking good. Yeah, so after you saute, you want to add a little water to your seasoning so that your seafood will just have a nice steam down, you know. Now you're going to steam down all your vegetables. So you have potato and sweet peppers and carrots and all that good stuff in there. So just going to let it go on steam down now. You could even turn down your fire to about 4 or medium. Just let it go and cook, you know. You don't want to rush the pot now. This is the point that you do not want to rush it, you know. Seafood, and it done boil already, so you're not in no race because the meat done kind of cook and tender up a while. So right now you're just going to continue cooking. Beautiful. That looks good. I'll give you guys a close-up. And with the thyme. Wonderful. Look at the carrot. And you're cooking with Chef Arden. Curry seafood. Lobster, crab, and shrimp. Yes, we just added the coconut milk to the curry. Now we're just going to let the coconut just cook down and flavor up the curry. And we're cooking seafood curry. Wow, look at that. It's going to be a nice taste with the curry and the coconut milk. And let's continue mixing everything. So everything is flavorful. Nice rich flavor. And you're cooking with Chef Arden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. We also have our virtual cooking classes. You guys can also inbox to find out more information on that. Cooking is our life. This is what we enjoy doing. Cooking with Chef Arden. Seafood curry. That's a nice shrimp right there. Yes, as you could see, the curry is cooking down. With the curry and the coconut looks wonderful together. You know, look at the color. All that beautiful colors. So you could cook it down for another 5 minutes and let it cook thoroughly. Dinner is served. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chef Arden. We have white rice with our curry seafood, shrimp, lobster, and crab. Thanks for watching.